Each day I go to school, I learn the way to play and grow. And with my friends and teachers there, we know which way to go. If we go north or we go south, or we go east or west. Oh, Compass Schoolhouse helps us to always do our best.
Welcome to Compass Schoolhouse. My name is Sue DeWeaver. I'm the director of Compass, and I'd like to introduce you to some other members of our Compass team. This is Elaine Edmonds, the assistant director, Shelley Wyan, director of programs, and Stacy Gunther, our head teacher and lead teacher in our threes class. Compass Schoolhouse is home to children ages 8 months up to 6 years, from our youngest Tykes class to our full-day kindergarten. And nobody at any age needs to be potty trained to attend our regular classes at Compass. Compass has been serving Union County communities for over 50 years. We became Compass Schoolhouse in 2015 via the merger of two programs, the Mothers Morning Out Preschool and the Westfield Cooperative Nursery School.
At Compass, we focus on creating a safe, nurturing, home-like environment for all of our students, where they can feel comfortable expressing their unique selves, practice being kind to everyone, learn how to learn, and learn to give back. One of the really important things at Compass is our Character Count program. That's where our team works closely with families to instill very important things that will help them throughout all their lives. The building blocks of character development, and we model that with behavior, and we teach the virtues of respect, responsibility, honesty, kindness, and perseverance.
Compass has grown exponentially since 2015. We went from a staff of 15 to now we have over 50 teachers with us. We started with 82 students and now we have over 170 students. But we still try to keep that little school feeling. Every month we do Compass Pride Days where we wear our Compass gear. We have t-shirts and sweatshirts, and we even have Compass Schoolhouse masks.
Our curriculum here at Compass Schoolhouse incorporates many school-wide themes throughout the year. An example of that might be Color Week, where each month has a different color. So say it's Blue Week, we might eat blue snack and use blue napkins and wear blue clothes to school and sing songs about the color blue, and our art might be based around the color blue. Another idea we use is our lesson themes, such as hibernation, Aloha to Winter, and Carnival Week. It gets the entire school involved in a very fun, theme-based curriculum. Activities tied to lessons, such as butterflies, is also a big hit here at Compass. Each class is given caterpillars to nurture and to turn into butterflies. Our chick hatching is also a big hit here at Compass. We have 12 chick eggs that we nurture, keep warm, and turn, and eventually hatch into hopefully 12 healthy chicks. It's a great project for the children, and they learn so much about caring and nurturing.
Having these school-wide themes creates a connected community of students who have common learning themes in age-appropriate ways. Our Parents for Parents group is a wonderful addition to our school, and it helps families connect with the school and the community through social events, educational workshops, and philanthropic opportunities.
All Compass classes are taught by a lead teacher and an assistant teacher, many of whom have been at Compass for over 15 years and at one time were parents of the school themselves. Each classroom is organized into learning centers, and parents have a flexible choice of days that they would like their children to attend school. Compass Schoolhouse uses a valet service to get children safely into the school. Cars pull up in front of the building, and our Compass team members will remove your child from their car seat and bring them inside the school. To be in our full-day kindergarten program, children need to be 5 years old by October 1st. There are a maximum of 15 students in the class with 2 teachers, a lead teacher who holds a New Jersey teaching certification and an assistant teacher. The class includes weekly lessons in Spanish, theater arts, mindfulness, physical education, and nutrition education in addition to their regular school day. Class times are 8:40 a.m. to 2:40 p.m. Monday through Friday. The kindergarten students use our Valet Service for drop-off and pickup.
To be in our junior K class, you need to be 4 years old by October 1st. There is a maximum of 16 students in each class and is taught by a lead teacher and an assistant teacher. It includes a bi-weekly Spanish special. There is a morning session and an afternoon session. The morning session begins at 8:45 and ends at 11:30. The afternoon session begins at 12:30 and finishes at 3:15. Drop-off and dismissal is through valet only. PM Pals is an optional afternoon extension to the regular junior kindergarten, which focuses on refining the skills that are taught in the curriculum. There is a maximum of 12 students and there are 2 teachers. Full days are offered on Mondays and Wednesdays or Tuesdays and Thursdays. The class begins at 12:30 and ends at 2:45. Drop-off and dismissal is through valet only.
To be in our class of 3s, you need to be 3 years old by October 1st. There is a maximum of 16 students per class, with 2 teachers. There is a morning and an afternoon session. The AM session begins at 8:50 and finishes at 11:35. The afternoon session begins at 12:30 p.m. and goes until 3:15. You may use our valet, or you may walk your child out. To be in our class of 2s, you need to be 2 years old by October 1st. There is a maximum of 12 students per class with 2 teachers. The AM session runs from 9 o'clock to 11:45. You may use the valet only for drop-off, but for pickup, you may use the valet or walk up to receive your child.
Our TIC students are anywhere between 8 months to 23 months old. We have a maximum of 12 students with 3 teachers. For drop-off and dismissal, parents will walk up and use the ramp on the side of the building that leads to the TICS class.
In addition to our regular preschool classes, Compass offers a lunch bunch program, enrichment classes, a school day extension program called Flex, and summer camp.
Our Lunch Bunch program allows students to extend their day by eating their lunch with their classmates at school. The school year is separated into 4 sessions, approximately 8 weeks long, for Lunch Bunch signups. Lunch Bunch begins the first day of school for all students. For our AM students, Lunch Bunch is 30 minutes after class time. For our PM students, Lunch Bunch is 30 minutes before class time.
Welcome to the Enrichment Room. This is where enrichment classes take place. The enrichment classes are a supplement to your child's day. The morning classes start at 9:45 and they continue until noon to take you to Lunch Bunch. And then the afternoon classes start at 12:30 and they go until 2:15. Our school year is divided into 4 sessions. The 3s in the junior K begin their enrichment in September of session 1. The 2-year-olds begin their enrichment sessions in session 3. We cover a variety of topics in enrichment. The 4 session topics that we cover are jumping beans, messy art, and global adventures, and STEM.
To keep everyone safe, all our doors are closed and locked at all times, except during drop-off and pickup. Our main doors are open, but there is always a team member in the doorway. We've implemented many changes at Compass Schoolhouse this year due to COVID-19 to keep our students, their families, and our team members safe and healthy. The new protocols have been working so far this year, and we are ready to continue our COVID protocols or not, depending on the environment for the 2020-21 school year.